Wow. Look at that.
Back in me and Daisy's younger days.
Whoa.
We used to drive these cars.
In 1950s.
1957.
This is still Texas, babe, right?
Yeah.
Texas.
Yeah, we haven't got the Amarillo yet.
Texas. Wow.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
It's so flat and so hot. They just use the wind.
I like it. So many. Are we going to see that?
I don't know what that is. An exit or something. I don't know. Something with like a lot of people around. Yeah, it was telling us to go here, actually.
Oops.
Yeah, I'll just go this way. We'll get back on eventually. It's probably going downtown at Amarillo. There was a McDonald's back there. Maybe I'll try that. Route
There's a.
66.
I thought that's an embassy.
Embassy.
But
Oh, Embassy Suites.
yeah, I thought that's embassy like.
There's got to be something here. There's a devil.
Rice.
What their favorite cheeseburger is. And this is one of them.
Oh, I wanna keep this. I wanna keep this.
Okay.
I like
It's kind
it.
of nice. Yeah.
You want? Okay.
Continue on to US 287. Use the right two lanes to take the I-40 West exit, then use the right two lanes to take the I-40 West ramp. Use the right two lanes to take the I-40 West ramp.
There's more. What do you call that, babe?
Wind turbine.
Wind turbine.
It's like an engine or motor.
What?
Turbine motor. Spin, makes it spin.
So it supplies all the cities here.
Maybe close by. Probably just Texas.
Just Texas.
Because Texas has its own power supply. That like they manage everything. They don't give it to anyone else. I don't think.
I can count. There's a lot.
Yeah.
Where are we now, babe?
Still in Texas.
Still in
west of
Texas.
Amarillo.
Going to.
Going to Albuquerque, New Mexico.
And how long? How far is it?
Like probably 6 to 8 hours.
Oh. Okay. Beautiful on your side.
Yeah.
Why the trees are like that? So it's just a small something like.
This part of the country.
Yeah. Wow.
See, that's like a mesa.
Mesa.
It's flat right there. It's like a table.
Oh, like a table.
Just trying to get into stuff like that.
Oh. Wow. This is flat already. We're so far from West Virginia.
Yeah, really.
We're so far already from West Virginia. Oh, they have picnic area, babe. 1 mile.
Yeah.
Whoa. Look at that. Wow. Do they have winter, babe?
Yeah, but it's not as bad as West Virginia.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, New Mexico, babe.
What?
Welcome to New Mexico.
We're in New Mexico.
That's crazy. Mom,
Yeah.
I go be in Mexico. I've never been.
Let's try to go there, babe.
What's that?
That's cute. Pink cars. Wow. Wow. This is a free museum. Free museum.
Just walk around and look.
Mm-hmm.
He's in an outhouse.
You don't mind how about closing the door? Sometimes a man's got to do what a man's got to do.
It's all
Right?
right.
Okay. And just as soon as I get through reading it, here's a little bit narrow, but it'll be fine.
Someone is on the bathroom. Do you want me to take a photo? Hi, sir. Hi, what can you say in this place, babe?
Say it's beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Nostalgic.
Wow. Look at that.
Back in me and Daisy's younger days.
Whoa.
We used to drive these cars.
In 1950s.
1957.
You copy already my silliness, babe. Ah. Not for sale. Oh, I like the green car. Look at that big.
Let me go back there one more time. I'll be right back.
Okay, okay. There's a Coca-Cola fountain service. What's that cars, babe?
What?
Yeah, all those cars.
Yeah, they're up there.
What's that?
Look at that mainland out there in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, that looks like Taal. Taal.
Oh, the volcano.
Everything alright?
Oh.
Yeah, the Taal. Hey, hey.
What am I thinking of? It's like west of Manila, like a city.
Where can I see again Santa Rosa, babe?
Should be up here.
That one?
No.
No more Santa Rosa.
Are we in,
No.
are we in Santa Rosa? I don't know.
Oh, maybe we're in Santa Rosa now.
Right. No, that's not it. For summer. I think it meant we're coming up to it. It's probably this up here. Oh, that's our stop, Santa Rosa. Oh, Carlsbad Caverns. That's popular.
handsome guy. Smiling back at me. We're back again on the desert. You think this is already a desert, babe? Not
really.
No, not
I'm
really.
thinking of Arizona.
Oh.
I think western New Mexico probably is. Or once you get to Albuquerque, I think it looks like that. We'll find out. I just really don't want to stop in Albuquerque too much. We can take a break.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I don't know why they said that all the time. It's like, oh, it sounds funny.
It's so sunny already.
Yeah.
Oh.
And we're going like more into the daytime because we're going this way. So we're like escaping the sunset.
Now I understand why no one's walking there.
Yeah. If you're walking here, you're in trouble.
Oh, we're in San Ignacio. San Ignacio.
Yeah.
After Santa Rosa, San Ignacio.
Is there Ignacio in Philippines?
Yeah.
Yeah, but what's that? There's something called Angeles. Like Clark International Airport. Angeles, Philippines.
Los Angeles.
Isn't it called Los Angeles? In the Philippines?
That's only Angeles.
Angeles. That's not thinking of Angeles.
Pampanga, Angeles.
Yeah.
Angeles, Pampanga.
So that's where Los Angeles comes from.
Wow, that's beautiful. I like that.
It's a lot more rocky and sandy now.
Okay, this is what you call the Rocky Road.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Do you have Rocky Road here, babe?
Yeah.
Aside from here, this one?
Yeah.
Rocky Road ice cream.
I love that stuff. Maybe I'll stop here. I just want to go to like a good, it's like a shopping center. I just want to go like
Oh, there's a museum there, babe.
museum.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if we can do that. I just want to go to McDonald's. Not to eat,
Okay, let me go there too.
just to stretch and stuff.
Ah, that's cute. Do we need
I think we're okay.
Yeah.
You can't go out that way. It's actually nice too.
I just want to show that we're here already.
Yeah.
It's real?
Yeah.
How
Look
much?
at the bottom. Or right there. It's quite high.
Oh, it's
$9.
expensive.
Yeah. It's
Hmm.
expensive place.
Okay, I will just take a photo. Because you're expensive.
Yeah, we got water.
Yeah, we have that in the
Maybe
Philippines.
before sunset. The lady in there was kind of mean. She talked to the stalker.
Wow,
Wow.
that's a desert.
Kind of. Might as well be. Yeah.
Whoa. Look at that.
Yeah. Wowee. Beautiful. Glad I got to share it with you. It's nice. Glad I got to share it with you.
If I'm going to change, like I always call you babe, right?
Yeah.
Do I still need to change that?
You can still call me babe if you want. What were you thinking of changing it to?
Yeah, like love.
Yeah.
You want love?
You can do that if you want. I think that sounds better.
Really?
Yeah. Because babe's like we're
We're dating.
We're dating, yeah. But now we're grown adults. We're married.
Wow.
We're just quite here.
Yeah, I think love. This is great. This is beautiful.
Beautiful love.
Yeah.
It is.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
But your shield, you call it shield,
Look
babe.
at that.
Yeah, the window
look
shield.
Laguna.
Oh, really? Laguna.
I think we probably will go come across it.
Really?
Yeah. We can stop there, maybe. Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, can I take a photo in Laguna?
Look, I don't know if it's on the map or something.
The sun is hiding now.
You want to stop in Laguna?
Where is it?
If we find it.
Yeah? Can we? Can we do that?
Anywhere else, but maybe that's New Mexico.
Let me go to Laguna first, babe. Oh, love. I need to change that. Okay, I will practice that. Love, that is so beautiful. Is it raining?
No, it might up here maybe.
Where's Laguna?
This is Tohai. That's like an Indian word.
Tohajili?
I don't know what that, how you say that. Zuni Indian. We were in Los Angeles on Saturday. I want to at least see, I think it's called Venice Beach.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That's a mesa right there. Mesa.
We can go there.
We'll see. That's beautiful though.
Why it became dirty already, babe?
I don't know, hit bugs or something on the windows. Yeah, we need to wipe it off when we get from the hotel.
Yeah.
Or before we start again tomorrow. Remind me. Never heard of that. Now this is getting into like Arizona type stuff. Right here.
Mm-hmm. That's nice.
That's beautiful.
Wow.
Like this is not West Virginia.
Yeah.
Oh, Laguna.
Laguna, where is Laguna? Laguna.
You want to stop?
How to stop?
Turn off. 1 mile. It's the next exit. You want to?
Yeah, let's do the video there, babe.
Okay. We're doing Laguna. And it was close.
Laguna. We're near to Laguna.
They're still like an hour away, at least, from Gallup.
Wait, is returning me to Laguna. Yes, sir. Is there an exit there?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I think it's on the Route 66.
The Laguna. Oh yeah, let's try, babe. Just few minutes. Yeah.
I wanted to do this.
Laguna. I'm crying already. I'm
Aw.
going home.
No.
What now? What now, babe? I'm going home. You're returning me.
We're just going to Laguna. So I don't know what's here really.
You're returning me to my
Might just be a gas
parents. Oh no, it's okay.
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, take the 5th exit and stay on US Route 66.
You saw one in Laguna.
Let's do Solvina in Laguna. Wow, their houses are cute, babe.
Yeah.
Where's my house? I can't find my house here.
What is this?
Oh, is that the Laguna? What? The Laguna Department of Education. We're in Laguna. Looks like we're so dark.
Well, it is dark.
Is it against the light?
It's just getting dark out.
You cannot see your hand. Let's just take a photo here, babe. You can see it. Wow, that's beautiful.
It does look Greece. Like right there, yeah. It's like so much different than Oklahoma. Really. It just seems so much different. Like from here to the coast is a whole different country. Almost.
Wow, what's that?
I guess like a water tower.
Looks like a trompo. You know what? I don't trompo.
What's that?
That's a toy in the Philippines. That's the train. Rock formation. Oops, what's that?
That's just the road.
I love that view.
Yeah.
Ian Bito.
I don't know what that means.
Ian Bito.
Ian Bito.
Okay.
That's for New Mexico 118, historic Route 66.
Okay, so we're here now.
Here.
In Gallup.
Yeah.
Gallup.
Turn right onto West Aztec Avenue. Signs for New Mexico 118, historic Route 66. Then turn right onto Arnold Street.
That looks like in Turkey or somewhere.
Turkey?
You have arrived.
Looks like
Yeah, they're in there. Okay.
Royal Hotel.
We can just park somewhere.
Maybe only Royals
Only
live
Royals.
here. Are you Royal? Member of the Royal
You want to go
family?
ahead and see if we can get around? Oh, that's kind of nice. It's enclosed.